Welcome to Closed Caption Creator. In this video, we're going to show you how to sync captions with your video using a technique called caption spotting. Caption spotting, sometimes referred to as caption queuing, is the process of manually syncing the display times of your captions with the video. Closed Caption Creator provides several different options for manually adjusting the timecodes of subtitle events. You can edit the event directly on the timeline by clicking and dragging the region handles. Manually update the in and out times in the event list. Or use shortcut keys to mark the in and out times of an event. The easiest and most powerful way to manually sync captions is using the Timing and Sync panel. You can access the Timing and Sync panel by going to the Quick Tools drawer and selecting the Timing and Sync tab. The Timing and Sync options menu is accessible by clicking the menu icon in the top right corner. The Timing and Sync panel can run in two modes, dual key or long press. In dual key mode, click the Show Event button to set the in time for an event. Click the Clear button to hide an event. When showing a new event, the out time for the previous event will be updated automatically if not already set. In long press mode, click and hold the Show Event button for the duration you want the event to show on screen. When you release the button, the event out time will be marked. The Timing Mode Compensation option allows users to set an offset in frames to make up for the delay in reaction time when spotting captions manually. This offset can be applied to both the Show and Clear commands, or the Show command only. The Shortcut Keys option allows users to set their own shortcut keys that activate only when using the Timing and Sync panel. To start spotting captions, first select the event you want to sync with the video. Let's start with the first event in our list. Select the Timing and Sync panel from the Quick Tools drawer if not already selected. Ensure the caption lock and video lock toggles are disabled. Press the play button and sync your captions with the video using the Show Event button or assigned shortcut key. You can spot captions using either the long press or dual key mode.
Everybody's looking for a hero. I am not a hero. That was a part. I played the part. I'm not that man.
Here are a few tips to help you get started with caption spotting. Slow down playback to 0.75x using the rate control located under the video player. Enable the event view on either side of the media player. When the event view is active, you will be able to see the previous and next caption events without having to glance at the caption on the opposite side of the screen.
Everybody's looking for a hero. I am not a hero. That was a part. I played the part. I'm not that man.
For those of you who have our pro version of Closed Caption Creator, you can also take advantage of our automatic syncing feature. With Automatic Sync, you can reuse your AI transcripts and sync your updated caption text with the timing from the AI transcripts. Simply go to the AI Transcript Import dashboard under the AI Tools menu. Select your transcript job, go to the More Options menu and click Automatic Sync. If an AI transcript doesn't exist for a project, you can easily transcribe a video in just a few minutes and then sync your caption events with the AI transcript timings. Automatic sync does not alter the caption text, positioning, or formatting. It simply updates the event times.
Everybody's looking for a hero. I am not a hero. That was a part. I played the part. I'm not that man.
Thank you for watching. You can sign up for Closed Caption Creator by visiting www.closedcaptioncreator.com.